Alright, so we got the eight hens, and I'm not flying the other silver one this time. I'll let her fly with the males. Cannot fly the birds for too long because I've got to clean the bigger cage out, which means all the birds need to come out. But definitely give these birds a fly. You got the black saddle, checker, couple of tips, big blue, dirty blue, the beautiful silver, and saddle hen. So I'll let these guys out. And off they go. So it's been about an hour. So let out these ones out now. The 8 are up there. Doing very good. But there is a hawk around, so plus got to clean the cage out. Massive cage out today. They're slowly going to come down. it's an hour and a half. Just about to start cleaning. And the boys are flying. But the hens are magnificent. They are up there. I don't know which part of the sky they're at. Catching glimpses, they're doing great. Boys are, they're doing alright. Their saddleback will never fly as it was since it got hit. Nothing we can do about that. Till probably feels like it. But what a breeder that will be, eh? Those hens. Those hens are up there. They're up there somewhere. So it'll probably take another hour at least for the hens to come down. Let's see how we go. Give little updates as I'm cleaning. Surely these birds like a brown breeding down. So it's an hour 50. There's those higher birds. There's a group up there. I see 6. All the way up there. Catch it. Hopefully I need. That's the male saddle. Look at this. Great. 7. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Very good. 2 hours 20. The 3 of the 7 are coming down. One's already landed. That's 4. So there must be 3 more up there. It's the 3-hour mark. Base 3 still flying. Base 4, the other 3 are still crazy high. So just flying random birds to try to make them land. Also for the high ones, just to bring them down a bit. Can't even catch it on camera. Too high. Can't even see at the moment. So this is silver. Another bird. Will either be the black saddle or the check. Who's the black saddle? That means the check, the blue. Which that was on which other one. Still up there. Flying for 3 hours, that's pretty good, bringing them down. That other bird must be the dirty blues up there. someone with the other two. These guys are still going though. They haven't landed. Someone's racings. Racings over there. It's a great day for flying. Not a crazy cleanup today, just a reasonable at least. I still the crap. Silver baby, been around drinking, eating now. We've got two up there. You can hear them. There's two up there. Big fella. Silver landed. Tippler still going strong. Little blacks still flying around. Those ones up there. I did just spot them. Oh no, and look, there's a hawk. There's a hawk. You bloody bastard. They flew great, 3 hours. There's three up there. Right above the hawk. Right above the hawk. Still flying. Yeah, no, these guys are freaking out. They're gonna go. Hopefully they don't go up again. I want them to land. Birds are out. Birds are out for a reason. But yeah, those ones up there. They're up there like little specks. Should be the blue, dirty blue. And the checker. Stupid hawk's going after him. Probably going to go after him. Let's try to make this guy's land. So, the tippler and the black saddle went up like dots again. Ready? I'm ready, lady.